My name is Ethiopian, and today I'll be talking about the sounds of the English alphabet, which is from A to Z. So the first alphabet is A. So the way we say it is, in fact, in Ethiopian English is A, no U. So it should be pronounced as A. So you have the IP in the slash and also Fidel. I think these could also help you to identify the sound, the exact sound of the letter. And number 2 is long B. Number 3 is C. Number 4 is D. Number 5 is E, long E. Number 6, again, no difference, is F. Number 7 is G, there is length. Number 8 is H, there is U between A and G, so it's not H but H. Number 9 is I. Number 10 is J, no difference. And K, L, M, N. These are common. We have no problem with these letters, with the sound of these letters. But number 15 is not O, but this is O. Look at the word. It should be pronounced as O or O. Number 16 is long P. Number 17 is Q, not Q, W, but Q. Number 18 is the soft R, that is R. Number 19 is S. Number 20 is T, there is length. Number 21 is U. Number 22 is V, long E. Number 23 is W, W, not W. So the last sound is not W, the last sound is U. So this is very important because when you have it in a word, if you don't know the exact sound of the letter, it could lead you to, to a mistake. So if you know the exact sound of the letter, I think you can also pronounce it appropriately when you have it in a word. So it's always good to know the actual sound of the letter. So this is W, not W. 24 is X, no difference. 25 is Y, again, no problem. 26 Z, or sometimes in American English they say Z, so no problem. So I think we've seen the sounds of the letters from A to Z or Z. Now let's see some activities. So the first activity, the instruction says provide the IP or Fidel for the following English sounds. So the letter is given. All you have to do is provide the IP symbol for the letter, which means the sound, because the sound is represented in IP. Or if you're not Fidel, you can also use Fidel. So provide Fidel or IP that could represent the actual sound of this letter. That is the activity. Number 2 is this again. Number 3, number 4, number 5. So we've got 5 letters and you need to provide the actual sound of these letters. Okay, so let's see the answers together for activity 1. So the first one is A, not A. It is A. Number 2 is W, not W, no U. So the last sound, I want you to pay attention on the last sound, U. Number 3 is Q, not Q, but U again, Q. Number 4 is O, not O, but O. So I have tried to show you the sounds of the letters using IP. IP means or represents International Phonetic Alphabet, and you can also use the fiddle. If you have difficulties with the IP, you can use the fiddle to see the sound of the letters. Number 5 is R, not R, but R, soft R. The Amharic R or the Tigrinya R is different from the English R. The Amharic one or the Tigrinya is trill, but the English version is it's an approximant, so it's soft R, R, R. So these are the sounds. Let's come to the second activity. The second activity is about providing the English alphabet for the following sounds. Again, in this activity, you are given the sound, you should provide the letter, the opposite of the first activity. So, in the meantime, you're also learning the IP symbols. I think it would be good for you to study the IP, because if you know the IP, it will be easy for you to practice speaking and listening. Very easily. It makes life easy. So you're given in IP, the sound is given. What is the letter? Number 2 is this. Number 3 this. Number 4 and number 5. We've got 5 sounds represented in IP, and you should provide the letters. So you can see the difference between letter and sound in English. That is the objective of this lesson, identifying the sound of the letter, the sound and the letter. Okay, so these are the answers. So number 1 is C, number 2 is E. So I have represented the sound which is given in IP in English alphabet, also fiddle. Number 3 is H. I can see the letter, the alphabet, H. Number 4 is I, and number 5 is U. Okay, thank you for your time. If you find it helpful, supportive, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much.